Welcome to my channel. I am Lewa and today is wash day. I'm going to try bentonite clay on my natural hair for the first time. I heard about bentonite clay years ago, but for some reason I never tried. I never bought the product and never tried it, but today I'm going to try it and I am using Ronnie Bee Organics. If you'd like to see how these products work on my hair, especially the bentonite clay, keep watching. I have been a good girl all week. I moisturized my hair, or I sprayed my hair every day with the hair mist. So my hair is not dry, it's actually really moisturized. I have finished twisting my hair and I am ready to shampoo. It's time to use the bentonite clay. So these are the instructions. Mix with water to a smooth consistency. Apply to wet hair from root to tip. Leave on for 30 minutes with a steam cap. Rinse with warm water. You can also add aloe vera, honey, and apple cider vinegar. So this is quite thick, but I think it will be sufficient enough for my hair. I hope this works out. I hope I've done the right thing. So let me tell you about the amazing benefits of using bentonite clay. So Ronnie Bee Organics, the brand I am using in this video, has actually upgraded the performance of the bentonite clay by adding other amazing natural ingredients. So the ingredients include avocado, coconut milk, eggs, fennel seed, amla, olive, fenugreek, neem, shikakai, and henna. So of course the first product on the ingredient list is bentonite clay, and what it does is that it cleanses the hair, it removes impurities and toxins. And what does that remind you of? A shampoo. So some people actually use bentonite clay in place of a shampoo, and this also contains Chebe powder. After using this product, my hair actually felt deeply conditioned and intensely moisturized, and what this does is that it helps to fight dandruff and dry scalp. It aids hair growth, tames frizz, protects from infection, adds shine to your hair, and leaves your hair soft and silky. So my curls actually really popped. In this video, my hair was stretched and elongated. I left the bentonite clay in my hair for 40 minutes, and after rinsing this is what it looks like. It feels extremely soft, very, very soft, and it does feel clean. So my curls are super defined, as you can see. Yeah. The only thing is, this hair mask contains Chebe powder, and Chebe powder has tiny particles in them, and I can see that on my hair. So I need to rinse my hair thoroughly again, but I'm going to apply the hair conditioner. This is just a regular hair conditioner. And that is it for this video. My hair feels soft and amazing. It feels really, really good. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Have you tried using bentonite clay on your hair? Please let me know how it worked on your hair in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. Bye.